Stop making him your passion or your hobby. Turn your passion into an hobby or an hobby into your passion. Find something that it is that you like and do just that. Stop chasing after him because you're not hearing from him. Stop calling him because he's not calling you. Stop watching his social media because you have nothing to do. Find a passion, a hobby, and make it your business. Create a business, a legacy out of something that you know how to do and do so well. The agenda of a man running behind him will not be vital, will not produce any form of wealth. It only distresses you and causes you to become needy, to become the woman that chases a man. It becomes for you a psychotic system where you keep chasing, you keep wondering, you keep looking, you even stalking him. Stop doing such thing. It does not pay for you to be doing such. It cannot provide for you if he is not there for you. So ladies, remove yourself from these types of persons. Find better male who will give to you the desire of your heart. If for any reason that you start missing him, it's your inner guidance telling you that something is wrong. Find something to do. This something, which is what we call a passion or your hobby, will help to distract you and lessen that great yearning, that wanting that you want from him. You want to see him, you want to hear from him. He has not called you. So once you have something that causes a distraction, it will limit that need for him somehow. Find things that will be productive for you to do, and you will watch yourself with an hobby, a business, turning millions for you in terms of it being properly structured. You're guided. You will be able to achieve such result which can be transformed into a legacy that you leave behind either for your children or your family, or even a foundation you can create around this. Make sure, ladies, to leave those men. Journal your way out, as I said before, to help you on this growing path. Heal yourself. Seek the help of a therapist who will be very happy to guide you through your crucial moments, a moment of healing yourself. So, the exercise that you will do is stop chasing, stop running after him. Find yourself something to do, which is what we call a distraction, which is in the form of you doing in the form of you practicing either a hobby or a passion. Create a system around it, which is called a business. You will implement structure. If you have not done a business before, you are going to know, be on your journey to learning, so you will not have time for these wasters, and you will journal your way through. You will Seek the help of a therapist, and trust me, you will come out better than you have before, right? So if you want us to continue these videos which will help you to heal, please subscribe to the channel, like this video. We talk again soon. Thank you.